Nobody ever really thinks about their insurance until they have to use it. Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're gonna answer the question of when should I change my insurance? So this is a question we get a lot at the end of a repair. So a lot of insurance companies are great and communication's great the whole time. Get a car in, get it fixed, get it back to you, and everything went smooth, and people are super happy with both us and their insurance company. A lot of times they come to pick up and ask, what's an insurance company you would recommend, Todd? Because that's my go-to thing is if they have commercials all the time and they're spending money on Super Bowl commercials and you see them on TV doing stuff like that, they're taking all of your money and putting it into that, and they're not really necessarily gonna use all your money and put it towards fixing your car, which is a big problem because that's what it's for. So good ones, if you put in a claim and they're responsive and they seem like they care and they don't try to bully you and they want to take care of you, that sounds like a great company. Stick with them. If you call them and you can't get through to somebody, or somebody says they're going to call you back and they don't, and you really don't feel like they are valuing you, it's because they don't, and you need to go insurance shopping. Every day we work with all the different insurance companies and we see it on our end, the same thing, whether they care or they don't care. If they're not responsive to you, they're not responsive to us, and we need answers. We need to get things approved. We need to do certain things in a certain order to get your repairs done. We try to get everything approved so that you're not out of pocket any extra money. And that sort of thing with the cheaper budget insurance companies, there's less people to talk to, there's less, they just don't seem to care. When you get in an accident and you do have to use your insurance, just pay attention to how things are going from the get-go. And that way at the end of your claim, you'll know if you need to go insurance shopping or not. And if you do, feel free to reach out to us because we have some great ones that we can recommend for you.